been tasting a lot of Lebanese wine now in this Lebanese Wine Day. Can you give us your opinion? I start with you.
I knew that Lebanon had good wine. I didn't know how much good wine they have. We've tasted some fantastic wines today, and I'm really impressed by the alcohol content more than anything else.
And you will be willing to buy Lebanese wine so often?
Absolutely, absolutely. I wish they were more available.
Yeah, I think I've really enjoyed tasting your local native grape, the Obedi. Obedi, am I saying it right? The Obedi local grape, and that was fantastic. I'm a white wine drinker, so it's always nice to try sort of native grapes. We also tried something interesting called Arak.
Yeah, did you like it?
65% alcohol, what's not to like?